Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use CAD Mobile. First, open your preferred mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the CAD website. You can then log into your existing account or quickly create a new one if you are a first-time user. CAD offers hundreds of beautiful, responsive templates, or you can begin with a completely blank canvas to unleash your creativity. Once you've selected a template or started fresh, it's time to customize. Simply tap on any element on your page to bring up its editing options. You can change text, swap out images, and modify links with ease. The drag and drop functionality allows you to effortlessly rearrange sections and elements. Experiment with different colors, fonts, and background styles to perfectly align with your personal or business brand. To expand your site, look for the plus icon, typically located at the bottom or side of your screen. This allows you to add new elements such as text blocks, images, videos, and even forms. You can also insert entirely new sections to organize your content effectively. CAD provides a wide array of element types, giving you the flexibility to build a rich and interactive one-page website right from your mobile device. Before going live, always use the preview option to see how your site will appear on various screen sizes. Once you are satisfied, hit the Publish button. You can choose a free CAD subdomain or connect a custom domain for a more professional look. After publishing, CAD makes it simple to share your new one-page website across all your social media channels, reaching your audience in moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.